Does your bedroom feel small, dark, or just a bit cramped? You're not the only one. Tiny rooms can feel even smaller when the lighting isn't right. But don't worry, there's an easy fix. With a few smart lighting tricks, you can make your space look brighter, feel more open, and even cozier, all without a full makeover. In this video, we're diving into simple lighting hacks designed for 2025 that will completely transform how your small bedroom looks and feels. Let's get started. Why lighting matters in small bedrooms. When it comes to decorating a small bedroom, most people focus on furniture or storage. But here's a secret. Lighting might actually be the most important element of all. Good lighting isn't just about making things brighter. It's about creating space, setting the mood, and making your room feel balanced. In a small bedroom, even a little darkness can make the space feel tight, cluttered, or closed in. But the right lighting can do the opposite. It can open up the room, draw the eye upward, and make everything feel more spacious and relaxing. Think of it like this. You're not just lighting a room, you're shaping how it feels. The position of a lamp, the color of a bulb, or the glow behind a mirror can all change the way your room looks and works. With smart lighting tricks, you can highlight your favorite corners, add warmth, and even hide shadows or flaws. So before you think about knocking down walls or buying new furniture, try adjusting your lighting. You'll be surprised how much of a difference it makes. 1. Use layered lighting. Let's start with one of the most important lighting hacks for small bedrooms, layered lighting. Most people rely on just one ceiling light to brighten the whole room. But that single overhead light can make the space feel flat, dull, or even harsher than you want, especially in a tiny bedroom. The solution? Layer your lighting like a pro. Layered lighting means using a mix of 3 types of light: ambient, task, and accent lighting. Ambient lighting is your main source, like the ceiling fixture or a flush mount light. Task lighting helps you do specific things, like a bedside reading lamp or a clip-on light near your workspace. Accent lighting adds style and mood. Think LED strips behind your headboard or fairy lights along a shelf. When you combine these layers, your bedroom instantly feels more open, balanced, and cozy. The room isn't just lit, it's designed with light. And you don't need fancy equipment to do this. Just a few affordable lights in the right spots can totally change the feel of your room. Try it. You'll notice the difference right away. 2. Wall lights instead of lamps. If your nightstands are always cluttered, or worse, if you barely have room for one, table lamps might be taking up valuable space. In a tiny bedroom, every inch counts, and bulky lamps can make your room feel even more cramped. That's where wall-mounted lights come in. Instead of using a traditional lamp, try installing wall sconces or hanging pendant lights next to your bed. These lights give you the same soft, cozy glow without taking up any surface space. You can mount them on either side of the bed for a clean, balanced look. Or if you're on a budget or renting, go for plug-in wall sconces. No wiring needed, and they're easy to install. This small change instantly frees up your nightstand for other things, like a book, your phone, or a small plant, and makes the whole room feel cleaner and more open. It's one of the easiest ways to add function and style at the same time. So if you're tired of bumping into lamps or losing space on your bedside table, give wall lights a try. They're smart, space-saving, and perfect for small bedrooms. 3. LED strips behind furniture. Want a quick way to make your small bedroom feel more stylish and spacious? Try this modern trick. Add LED strip lights behind your furniture. It might sound simple, but the effect is big. When you place LED lights behind your headboard, mirror, or floating shelves, it creates a soft, glowing outline around the piece. This glow gives the illusion that the furniture is floating off the wall, which instantly adds depth to your space. Why does it work so well in tiny bedrooms? Because soft, indirect lighting reduces harsh shadows and adds layers to your room's design. Instead of everything looking flat and boxed in, your room feels more open, modern, and relaxing. LED strips are also energy efficient, affordable, and easy to install. Many come with adhesive backing and remote controls. Some even change colors, so you can adjust the vibe based on your mood, whether it's a cozy evening or a fresh morning start. Plus, they don't take up any floor space or tabletop room. which makes them perfect for small bedrooms. So if you're looking for a sleek upgrade that makes your room glow, literally, give LED strip lighting a try. You'll be amazed at how much it transforms the feel of your space. 4. Hang pendant lights vertically. Here's a clever trick to make your tiny bedroom feel taller. Use vertical lighting, like hanging pendant lights. Most of us are used to table lamps or floor lamps that spread light sideways. But when you hang lights vertically, especially from a ceiling, you naturally draw the eye upward. And when the eye goes up, the room feels taller, even if your ceiling is low. Pendant lights are perfect for this. They hang down in clean lines and add both style and function. You can place them above your nightstands, in a corner reading nook, or even as statement lighting near a window. This kind of lighting not only frees up surface space, but also creates a soft, vertical glow that stretches the feel of the room. It makes the ceiling seem higher and gives your bedroom a light, airy vibe. You don't need anything fancy either. There are lots of affordable pendant lights that are plug-in and renter-friendly. You can even find options with dimmers for a cozy, relaxing atmosphere. So if your room feels short or boxed in, give pendant lights a try. That small change can lift the entire space, literally and visually. 5. Use mirrors to reflect light. If your bedroom feels dark or closed in, here's one of the easiest lighting hacks of all. Use mirrors to reflect light. Mirrors don't just help you check your outfit, they can actually double the amount of light in a room when placed in the right spot. Try hanging a mirror across from a window or even next to a lamp. This is especially helpful in tiny bedrooms that only have one window or not much natural light. Even a small mirror can make a big impact if it reflects a light source. Want to take it a step further? Use mirrored furniture, a mirror-backed headboard, or even sliding closet doors with a mirrored finish. These pieces serve a purpose, while also boosting brightness and the illusion of space. The best part? Mirrors add depth and dimension without taking up extra floor space. They're sleek, stylish, and practical. So if your bedroom feels like it's closing in on you, don't add more lamps. Just add a mirror or two. You'll be surprised how much bigger and lighter the room will feel. 6. Choose the right bulbs and shades. Lighting isn't just about where you place your lights. It's also about the kind of light you're using. One of the easiest ways to improve your tiny bedroom's lighting is by choosing the right bulbs and lampshades. It sounds simple, but it makes a big difference in how your space looks and feels. Start with your lampshades. Go for light-colored or semi-transparent shades, like white, beige, or soft linen textures. These allow more light to pass through and create a gentle, even glow throughout the room. Dark shades might look stylish, but they block light and make your space feel smaller and heavier. Next, focus on your light bulbs. Look for ones labeled daylight or soft white. These bulbs give off a natural, clean light that makes your room feel open, fresh, and calming. Avoid harsh, cold lighting. It can make your room feel sterile and uncomfortable, especially in a small space. With just a simple switch in shades and bulbs, your bedroom can instantly feel warmer, bigger, and more relaxing. Sometimes, the smallest changes make the biggest impact. 7. Try smart lighting, 2025 trend. If you want your small bedroom to feel modern, flexible, and a little more high-tech, then smart lighting is the way to go, especially in 2025. Smart bulbs let you control the brightness, color, and even timing of your lights, all from your phone or a voice assistant. That means you can dim the lights for a cozy movie night, brighten them for morning energy, or even switch to a soft amber glow to help you wind down before bed. In a small bedroom, this kind of control is a game changer. You don't need multiple lamps or complicated setups. Just a couple of smart bulbs, and you're ready to create different moods with a single tap. Some smart bulbs also offer preset scenes like relax, read, or sleep, making it super easy to change the vibe in seconds. And if you like to stay on schedule, you can even set timers, like having the lights gradually turn on to gently wake you up in the morning. So if you're ready to take your lighting to the next level, try smart lighting. It's sleek, practical, and very 2025. Bonus tip: keep lighting fixtures slim. When you're working with a small bedroom, every detail matters, including the size and style of your light fixtures. One common mistake people make: using big, bulky lights that overwhelm the space. Large floor lamps, oversized chandeliers, or chunky table lamps might look great in a big room, but in a tiny bedroom, they can make everything feel crowded and heavy. That's why it's smart to choose slim, minimal lighting fixtures that provide plenty of light without taking up too much space or attention. Look for designs that are sleek, simple, and space-saving. Wall-mounted sconces, low-profile ceiling lights, and slim pendant lights are all great options. They add function and style while keeping your room feeling open and uncluttered. So before you bring in that trendy oversized lamp, think about how it will affect the space. Choosing clean, slim fixtures not only gives you more room, it helps your entire bedroom feel brighter, calmer, and more modern. Outro. And there you have it, a few simple lighting hacks that can totally change the feel of your tiny bedroom. You don't need to knock down walls or spend a lot of money. Just a few smart lighting choices can make your space feel bigger, brighter, and so much more comfortable. Try one of these tips today and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy home and decor tips.